Meaning of Hotpoint.
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 Hotpoint. Hotpoint is a brand of household appliances, such as refrigerators, freezers, and washing machines. The brand was founded in California in 1911 and has since become a popular name in the appliance industry. Hotpoint appliances are known for their reliability, affordability, and energy efficiency. The company offers a variety of models, from basic to more advanced features, to cater to different consumer needs. Overall, Hotpoint represents a well-established and trusted brand in the world of home appliances, offering quality products to make everyday life easier and more comfortable.